Hello friends, we are installing Drupal 8.7.5 version. We can select which language we need to install. So continue with English language. There are three profiles available. Food magazine, using that you can install beautiful food magazine website. Minimal for Drupal advanced users, and standard we can install Drupal project with commonly used features. In Drupal 8, minimum PHP version requirement is 7.5. So switching that to our 7, and OPCase is also available. So clicking OK, and after that just refresh the page. Before installing this project, we need to create database. So creating database, there are three database types supported: MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. And advanced option is available for configuring remote database details. You can also configure table prefix. So in standard profile, it is installing around 41 modules. So what happen if we are creating a website and in which we are not understanding each and every modules? So at that time it is creating big performance problem. So in this Drupal 8, it is configuring with big pipe, which is very good a module for improving performance, as well as it is configuring with tour and some basic web service, and multi-language support is supported by default. So that we will demonstrate in our future videos. Now we just need to configure our basic site details. It is loading, right? So I am adding Drupal 8. Now we need to add admin details, right? We can configure server details like time zone and which country, and you can also check whether you require update notification in future or not. So in Drupal 8, it is replaced with extend. So this is home screens, right? So these are list of modules. Like I told, that big pipe block is very advanced modules in our Drupal 8. Thanks for watching video.